Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term drama. Introduction. Drama as a form of composition designed for performance in the theatre has been an integral part of human artistic expression for centuries. It is a dynamic and interactive art form that involves actors portraying characters, performing actions, and delivering written dialogue. This video explores the various aspects of drama, its historical development, and its significance as an art form. Historical evolution of drama. The origins of drama can be traced back to ancient civilizations where performances were often connected to religious rituals or festivals. Early Greek theatre, particularly during the Golden Age, witnessed the emergence of renowned playwrights like Sophocles, Aeschylus, and Euripides. Greek drama featured tragedies and comedies that explored human emotions, societal issues, and philosophical dilemmas. In Elizabethan England, playwrights such as William Shakespeare revolutionized drama with masterpieces like Hamlet, Romeo and Juliet, and Macbeth. These works showcased the potential of drama to explore complex characters and profound themes. Theatrical elements and structure. Drama incorporates various elements to create a captivating theatrical experience. These elements include plot, character, dialogue, setting, and themes. The plot serves as the framework for the unfolding of events, while characters bring life and depth to the story. Dialogue, written in verse or prose, enables communication between characters and conveys the emotions and intentions of each. The setting plays a crucial role in establishing the ambience and context of the play, while themes delve into the underlying messages and ideas presented throughout the performance. The structure of drama is divided into acts and scenes, each contributing to the development of the storyline. Poetic drama and closet drama. Poetic drama as a subgenre employs verse, often in the form of blank verse or alexandrine, to craft the dialogue. The use of poetic language adds an artistic dimension to the performance and can heighten emotional impact. Conversely, heroic dramas of the English Restoration period relied on heroic couplets to deliver dialogue in a rhymed and rhythmic manner. In contrast, closet drama refers to dramatic works that are meant to be read rather than performed on stage. Writers use dramatic form to create plays with dialogue, settings, and stage directions, but their primary intention is to be experienced through reading. Such works offer a different experience, allowing readers to engage deeply with the text and explore intricacies of the plot and characters. The significance of drama as an art form. Drama holds immense cultural, social, and educational significance. As a performative art, it has the power to captivate and move audiences, evoking a range of emotions and providing insights into the human condition. Through the portrayal of diverse characters and situations, drama fosters empathy and understanding, promoting dialogue to important issues within society. Additionally, drama is a valuable tool for education, allowing students to analyze and interpret various texts while honing their creative and collaborative skills through acting and staging performances. Conclusion: drama stands as a powerful art form that has evolved over centuries, reflecting the cultural, social, and philosophical aspects of different societies. Whether performed in theatres or read in solitude, drama continues to inspire and provoke thought, making it an enduring and cherished form of the artistic expression. So this was the discussion on the term drama. We will meet in the next video with some other term. If you have any questions or doubts, you can ask in the comments section. And until the next video, goodbye and thank you.